So today we are going to be talking about transfer of learning. Transfer of learning is the process of applying learning from one situation to the other. So transfer of learning has two important concepts. So you have students apply skills they're learning in one area to another. So for example, when a student has developed skills from writing an English paper and now they're writing a history paper, so they're able to adapt those skills into the paper that they're writing now. And then the second concept is students apply what they're learning to an entirely different context. So for example, their knowledge of chess, the actual game, and they're applying what they've learned in that game to this new idea in a context of politics. There are three general types of transfer of learning. So first we're going to talk about the traditional. So the process of a person making use of his or her learned knowledge, skills in new environments, tasks, problems, etc. The second one is constructivism, the process of building on the integrating new knowledge into previous knowledge, and that's where we get this definition, metacognition, which is when someone is thinking about one's own thinking. And third, we have the tools as a transfer vehicle, so creating tools and learning to make use of those tools. Next, we have the two other important concepts, near and far. So an example of that is shoe tying. So some tasks are so nearly alike that transfer of learning occurs easily and naturally. So it just happens naturally. Yeah, there's no conscious thought that's occurring in order to process this new concept. And second is a low road, high road. So it happens when stimulus conditions in the transfer context are sufficiently similar to those in a prior context of learning to trigger a well-developed semi-automatic responses. And so basically transfer of learning, if instruction focuses on helping students become problem solvers who learn to recognize and monitor their approaches to a particular task, transfer is more likely to happen and occur in the learning process. And so this is one of the most important ideas in teaching and learning, and that is transfer of learning.